Hi, my name is Carol, and I'm making this video to help you get to know KLUTZ Lego gear better. I'll leave the link to the book in the video description in case you want to buy it, or know more about it. As I've said in other videos, KLUTZ is a premium brand of book-based activity kits, committed to inspiring creativity in every kid. A combination of crystal-clear instructions, custom tools and materials and hearty helpings of humor is 100% guaranteed to kickstart creativity. The materials created by KLUTZ are very good and really help children in their motor skills development and especially help them to create new ideas. The KLUTZ Lego Gear is a 64-page book with inspiring ideas and step-by-step instructions that will help kids create each creature. Along with the book, there are 12 sheets of papercraft that are the fundamental pieces that distinguish KLUTZ from any book. Before continuing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. The kit also comes with 62 Lego elements that will help kids create 8 physics-driven kinetic creatures using Lego Technic bricks and papercraft. Children will learn about cams, cranks, axles, and other mechanical engineering fundamentals with real-life applications. There are also tips and tricks along the way to ensure your automata work properly every time. The KLUTZ Lego Gear is a great option to help children in their development, building skills, and knowledge while having fun. KLUTZ also has other models like the KLUTZ Lego Race Car, KLUTZ Lego Chain Reactions, KLUTZ Lego Gadgets, and KLUTZ Lego Make Your Own Movie. I'll be leaving the link to all the models in the description for you to know more about the other options. Thanks for staying with me until the end of the video, and I hope I helped you to get to know KLUTZ Lego Gear better. See you in the next video.